If you want to open Tinkercad on your laptop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to access Tinkercad from your browser. Sign in if you already have an account, create a new account if you don't, and get to the dashboard so you can start designing right away. This is a super simple process, and the best part is that you do not need to download or install anything on your laptop. Tinkercad works directly in your web browser, which makes it quick, easy, and perfect for beginners. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open the web browser on your laptop. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, click inside the address bar at the top of the screen. Type tinkercad.com carefully, then press Enter on your keyboard. After a moment, the Tinkercad website will load. Now, if you already have a Tinkercad account, look for the Sign In button in the top right corner of the page. Click it, and you'll be taken to the login screen. From there, you can sign in using your email address and password, or choose Google Sign In if that's how your account was created. Using Google is often the quickest option, especially if you already use the same Google account on your laptop. If you are new to Tinkercad and do not have an account yet, click the Join Now button in the top right corner instead. Tinkercad will ask what kind of account you want to create. If you're using it for personal projects, select the Personal Account option. If you're a student, teacher, or using it through a school, follow the prompts that match your setup. Fill in the required details, complete the sign-up process, and then verify your account if needed. Once you're signed in, Tinkercad will open your main dashboard. This is where all your projects, designs, and tools are stored. From here, you can start working immediately. To begin a new project, look for the plus Create button. Click it, and you'll see different options, such as 3D design and circuits. If you want to build models, choose 3D design. If you want to create or simulate electronic projects, choose circuits. And that's it. You have now opened Tinkercad on your laptop and reached the point where you can start creating your own designs. Since everything runs in the browser, you can access it anytime without worrying about installation or software updates. It's one of the easiest tools to use for beginners, students, and makers. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.